ESB attentive page 82, question 13. Harsha and Chaya are partners of a partnership firm. From the following information, prepare final accounts. First of all, in trading account and trial balance credit side, trading account 24,700 is already given, which means gross profit is already given. Since there is adjustment for related to sales, we have to make revised trading account. Is everyone familiar with it? Now adjustment 1. Provide interest at 5% on capital, 6% on drawings and 10% on opening balance of current account. It's a very important question. You have repeated in the homework also, very different kind of question. This question always reminds me of the year 2001. How many of you were born in 2001 or before that? All? Anything unique about 2001 you remember? Earthquake. And how many times it happened in that year? Huh? No, 2 times. One was 26th January. That was the earthquake hit, and second was 14th March, board exams of accountancy. So that was a year in which accountancy's board exam, in final accounts, no adjustments were given. No adjustments were given. All items of trial balance had hidden adjustments. Only trial balance given. Students were wondering there are no adjustments, what to do. When they start solving the trial balance, they realize there are adjustments and adjustments only. Every item of trial balance had hidden adjustment in control. So 2 times earthquake. But this question always reminds me for that because it is similar to that. Not that difficult, but similar to that. Put your pens down and understand the first adjustment. I'll explain you interest on capital and I'll ask you interest on drawings and current account. First of all, what are the capitals of Harsha and Chaya? 20,000. Can you see trial balance credit side 20,000 and 30,000? Now why is it important? Because if you see trial balance debit side, interest on capital is also already given. First time you'll come across such a question where interest on capital is also already given in trial balance. Now how much is Harsha's capital? 20,000. What is the rate of interest? 5%. Count 20,000 5%. 1,000. Now trial balance debit side, how much interest on capital of Harsha is given? 700. Now what does this indicate? Understand it. Whatever amount is given in trial balance, that interest on capital is already paid to Harsha. Means interest on capital to cash. The amount is already paid. Against 1,000 we have already paid 700. 300 is outstanding. And what we record in partners, current account and capital account is always outstanding amounts. Whatever we have been recording throughout the chapters, last chapter and this chapter in partners, capital and current account, there is always outstanding. Because suppose interest on capital, when we record in capital account, instead of doing interest on capital to cash, we do interest on capital to capital, means it's outstanding. The amount gets reinvested in the business. So in one of the questions, someone of you asked it to me also, outstanding salary payable to partner was there. So someone of you asked me, won't we write it in current liabilities? At that time also I told you, I think you only asked it, that all the outstanding current account and capital account, whatever we record is already the outstanding amounts. So here, what is 20,000's 5%? How much is given in trial balance? 700. Means how much is outstanding? In current account, what we will record is only 300. Did you understand this? Same way, see, Chaya's capital is 30,000. What is 30,000's 5%? 1,500. Now debit side of trial balance, how much of interest on capital for Chaya is given? 1,000 means how much is outstanding? 500. Here we will record only outstanding amount of 500. Okay, once again, what will you record in partners, capital or current account only? Outstanding amounts. Is everyone clear with it? So let us record it. Put tick on capital accounts. First of all, capitals are fixed. So capitals will be directly write in balance sheet. Harsha 20,000, Chaya 30,000, Did you all write it down? Now, put take on interest on capital also in debit side of trial balance. Understand how will we record it? P&L appropriation debit side leaving one line to interest on capital. Harsha. Now how much amount is given in trial balance? 700. First we'll write that. Okay. Now 20,000's 5% comes to 1,000. 700 is already given in trial balance. Means outstanding is? Yes? 300. That we will add. Plus outstanding 300. Outer column 1,000. Able to understand this, everyone? Same way for Chaya. How much amount is given in trial balance? 1,000. Now what is 30,000's 5%? 1,500. Out of which 1,000 is already given in trial balance. Means outstanding is 500. So we'll add outstanding 500. Outer column 1,500. Understood this? And what we will write in partners current account credit side is only outstanding amounts 300 and 500. So partners current account credit side, leave one line for opening balance 31,317 by interest on capital in Harsha's column 300 and in Chaya's column 500. Got it, everyone? So what will you record in partners capital or current account? Only outstanding amounts. Raise your hand who wants me to explain this again. First of all, 20,000's 5%. How much is interest on capital? 1,000. How much is given in trial balance? 700. So means 300 is outstanding. So we'll write 700 plus outstanding 300,000. Same way 30,000's 5% is 1,500. Against 1,500, how much is given in trial balance? 1,000 means remaining 500 is outstanding. So 1,000 plus outstanding 500, 1,500. And only outstanding 300 and 500 will come in partners current account on credits. Okay, where is 700 and 1,000 given? Trial balance, so single effect. And 300 and 500 we get from adjustments outstanding. So 300 and 500 have two effects. Did you all understand this question, everyone? Raise your hand if you still not clear with it. Now, 6% on drawings. Raise your hand. First of all, everything you will tell me one by one. Okay, so Khushi. Where will we record them? Current account debit side. All of you put tick on drawings. In partners current account debit side, leave one line for opening balance 31,317. Two drawings. For this I discussed earlier also with you that irrespective of the dates, drawings account we will transfer to capital account on the last day of the year. Otherwise, if there are monthly drawings, then you have to make 12 entries of drawings. So whatever dates are given, interest will be calculated accordingly, but we will always transfer to capital account on 31,317. Okay. Harsha's drawings are 5,000 and Chaya is 10,000. Now, Khushi, interest on drawings, first effect. All of you write down, just one minute. P&L appropriation credit side, leave one line by interest on drawings. First for Harsha. Yes, tell me for Harsha.
So Harsha's amount will be 150, but 100 is paid, so 50 is outstanding.
So how will we record it?
So Harsha is equal to 100 plus 50 outstanding.
Correct. Be attentive, everyone. In trial balance, what is the date given in bracket of Harsha?
110.
All of you can see 11016. Date given in bracket of Harsha 11016. So October to March, for how much period will count interest? 6 months. And see in adjustment 1. What is the rate of interest? 6%. So count it, 5,000 into 6% into 6 divided by 12. How much do you get? 150. Now how much amount of Harsha is given in trial balance credit side? 100, put tick on that. So 50 is outstanding. Harsha 100 plus outstanding 50. So 150. Okay, I repeat it again. First of all, 5,000 into 6% into 6 by 12, October to March. The interest comes to 150. 100 is already given in trial balance, means 50 is outstanding. Is everyone clear with this? Yes, Khushi, for Chaya.
For Chaya, the amount will be 150. 150 is paid, so 100 will be outstanding.
Correct. Now see in trial balance debit side, in bracket of Chaya, what is the date of drawings? 1/1/17. So January, February, March. How many months interest? 3 months. Count it. 10,000 into 6% into 3 by 12. How much? That also comes to 150. But how much interest on drawings of Chaya is already given on credit side? 50, means 100 is outstanding. So Chaya, put tick on that. Interest on drawings in trial balance. 50 plus outstanding 100. So outer column 150. I repeat it once again. In Chaya, the date given in bracket is 1/1/17. So January, February, March, we have to count interest for 3 months. 10,000 into 6% into 3 by 12 is 150. Out of which 50 is given in trial balance, means 100 is outstanding. So 50 plus 100, 150. Is everyone clear with these amounts? Raise your hand who did not understand this. Second effect.
So now in partners current account debit side 31,317 to interest on drawings in Harsha's column 50 and in Chaya's column 100.
Correct. So now, second effect in partners current account debit side 31,317 to interest on drawings. Harsha's column only outstanding amount, that is 50, and Chaya's column also only outstanding amount, that is 100. Got it, everyone? Any confusion with this? Interest on drawings, P&L appropriation, credit side and partners current account, debit side, trial balance 100 and 50 single effect, and outstanding 50 and 100 will have two effects. Any confusions with it? Now same way, read adjustment one further. 10% on opening balance of current account. So raise your hand. I will do it for current account in the same manner. Harshada.
Sir, on P&L appropriation account to current.
First of all, current account balances. What are the amounts and where will they record?
On partners capital account debit side to balance carried down 6,000 Harsha's column and credit side balance carried down 4,000 Chaya's column.
Partners current account, not capital account. All of you see trial balance. Do you find debit side current account of Harsha 6,000? Third item, put tick on that. And credit side current account of Chaya, third item, 4,000. First we'll record the current account balances. Debit balance on debit side 1,416, 2 balance brought down. Harsha's column 6,000. Credit side also 1,416, buy balance brought down. Chaya's column 4,000. Yes, now tell me interest. First tell me interest on current account credit balance, Chaya.
Okay. In P&L appropriation account by interest on current account 100 and outstanding 500.
Which side?
Credit side.
And second effect?
And second effect, debit side of partners current account to interest on current account 500. Sorry. Here Harsha, sir. Sorry, on P&L appropriation account debit side to current account of Chaya 400 and in partners current account credit side 400 of Chaya.
Correct. Be attentive, everyone. First of all, Chaya 4,000. What is the shortcut I gave you for interest on current account? Partners current account, same side, and P&L appropriation, opposite side. Now see trial balance. Do you have any interest on current account of Chaya given to you? Is any interest on current account of Chaya given in trial balance? No. Means full amount is outstanding. So partners current account, same side, credit side. 31,317 by interest on current account. Chaya's column, 4,000s, 10%, that is 400. Okay, no amount is given in trial balance, means full amount is outstanding. Opposite side in P&L appropriation account 2, interest on current account of Chaya. Yes, to interest on current account of Chaya 400. Is everyone clear with this? Okay, once again, partners current account, same side. So credit side 4,000, 10%, 400. P&L appropriation, opposite side, debit side 400. Any doubts with that? Harshita. Harsha.
Now on P&L appropriation account credit side by current account, interest on current account of Harsha 100 and outstanding is from 500 and in outer column 600. In partners current account, so interest on current account 500.
Correct. So now be attentive now. For Harsha, what is 6,000, 10%? 600. But see in trial balance, do you have interest on current account of Harsha? Do you find credit side 100? Put tick on that. Out of 600, 100 is already received. So how much is outstanding? 500. So in current account, we'll record only outstanding amount, that is 500. Current account, same side, debit side, 31,317 to interest on current account in Chaya, Harsha's column, 6,000's 10%, which comes to 600. But 100 is already given in trial balance, so we'll record only outstanding of 500. Okay, I repeat, 6,000's 10% is 600. But 100 is already given in trial balance, so we record only outstanding amount of 500. And second effect in partners current account credit, P&L appropriation credit side by interest on current account of Harsha. First of all, 100 given in trial balance plus outstanding 500. So outer column 600. I repeat it once again, 6,000's 10% is 600, but 100 is given in trial balance. So outstanding 500. 100 plus outstanding 500, 600. And only 500 will come in partners current account on debit side. So raise your hand who did not understand this amounts of interest on capital drawings and current account. Even these interests were given in trial balance in that year 2001. Like capital they mentioned in bracket 5%. Drawings they mentioned in bracket 6%. Current account they mentioned in bracket 10%. Okay. So everything was written adjustment in that question. Now second adjustment, provide 10% depreciation on machines. Prince.
There is asset side.
What will I do on the asset side?
Minus
Minus from machinery. And second effect, apply your own logic and tell me. Don't see in others' notebook and tell me.
profit and loss.
Credit side.
Debit side.
Debit side, which heading?
Other expenses.
You write the two effects 100 times. And why this table is already written in advance?
Yes.
This depreciation is two effects 100 times. Okay, why? Sit down everyone. So, P&L account debit side, other expenses and losses, and minus from machinery. Put tick on machinery everyone. Do you find 40,000? Asset side in non-current assets. fixed assets, machinery 40,000, minus depreciation 10%, that is 4,000, outer column 36,000, and second effect in other expenses and losses, to depreciation on machines 4,000. Is everyone clear with this? Anyone having any doubt in it? Once again, what are the two effects of depreciation in P&L account and other expenses and losses, and second effect minus from machinery. Okay. Next. Monthly salary of Chaya is 500. Raise your hand, how will you do with this? Arushi?
P&L appropriation debit side to salary, Chaya, then amount will be 500, and then in current account to buy salary in Chaya's column.
Wrong. Darshan?
Profit and loss appropriation debit side. Salary to Chaya 5,500 minus outstanding 500.
Outer column 5,000.
No, outer column 6,000.
5,500 minus 500 is 5,000.
Plus outstanding.
Plus outstanding. Then
500. Profit partners current account. Credit side buy salary. Chaya's column 500.
correct. So now, monthly salary of Chaya is 500. So annual will be 500 into 12. 6,000. Now, see trial balance debit side, what is salary of Chaya already given? 5,500 against 6,000 means 500 is outstanding. Did you all understand this? Put tick on that salary of Chaya. So P&L appropriation debit side to salary of Chaya 5,500 plus outstanding 500, so outer column 6,000, and partners current account credit side 31,317 by salary. Here in Chaya's column we record only outstanding amount, that is 500. Is everyone clear with it? Okay, I repeat it. 500 is monthly salary, so 500 into 12, yearly amount will be 6,000. Out of that, 5,500 is given in trial balance, means 500 is outstanding. So 5,500 plus 500, 6,000, and only 500 will come in partners current account on credit side. Any confusions with this? Next. Now this we have done earlier also. Raise your hand. In illustration 10 you had in homework also. Total of sales book is undercast by rupees 300. Samtani?
Suspense account to sales, but suspense account is given in trial balance, so it will not recorded and sales on credit side. Trading account.
Correct, very good. So now working note 1 adjustment 3, 4, sorry. First of all, rectification of error, undercasting of sales book. Undercasting means write the reference amount on same side. Now sales we always credit, so same side means sales account you will credit with 300, undercasting is of 300, and nothing to debit, so what will be debit? Suspense account we will debit with 300. Did everyone understand this? Now if you remember, in question number 9 of exercise I told you here that suspense account 3 situations are possible. First situation, either suspense account should already be given in trial balance. In that situation it gets closed. See, in trial balance, do you have suspense account? Yes. On which side? Credit side. And amount also 300. Means suspense is already a credit balance of 300 and now we debit it. So suspense account gets closed. Okay, suspense account gets closed, so no effect will be visible for that. Only one effect will be visible. Two such sales account. Now sales have what balance? And we again credit, so add in sales. But in this question, trading account was already prepared. So when we cannot add in sales, then we'll show it separately in trading account on credit side. So this sales will come in trading account on credit side. Did everyone of you understand this? Other two situations. If suspense account was not given in trial balance, then compensate here. It would get closed with some other adjustment. And third situation, even if it does not get closed with some other adjustment, then where would you show in balance sheet? It's debit asset side. We have debited that, so you would show it on balance sheet asset side. Is everyone clear with it? Anyway, here is the first situation. Suspense is there in trial balance, so it gets closed. Sales will have single effect. Trading account credit side by undercasting of sales book. $300. Understood this, everyone? So a single effect will be there of this adjustment because the other effect is suspense account gets closed. Anyone having any doubt in it? Next. Rupees 1700 are to be transferred to general reserve. Raise your hand. What will be the two effects? Vidhi? Correct. P&L appropriation on debit side to transfer to general reserve. 1700. And second effect in balance sheet on liability side. Leave two lines for current account. After capital, the next heading is reserves. General reserve. Is any general reserve given in trial balance? Is any general reserve given in trial balance? No. So directly we'll record in outer column 1700. What if it was given in trial balance? Then we would have added in that. Is everyone clear with it? So once again, what are the two effects of transfer to general reserve? P&L appropriation debit side and balance sheet on liability side. All the adjustments are done. Now untake the items of trial balance, we have to give single effects. Before that, hidden adjustments. Raise your hand. Insurance premium, no salary. Can you see salary in bracket is written monthly 1000? Total 13,000. Raise your hand. What is the hidden adjustment here? With
Salary, annual salary rupees 12,000, so prepaid is 1,000, and that will be minus from the administrative account, means administrative expense salary is minus salary, or asset salary prepaid salary.
correct. So now salary is given in bracket monthly 1000. So what will be the annual amount? 1000 into 12? 12,000. But we have paid 13,000, means we have paid 1,000 in advance for the next year. Here we have paid more, means it is prepaid. Did everyone understand this? So put tick on salary. In administrative expenses, to salary 13,000 minus prepaid 1,000. So outer column 12,000. Got it, everyone? And shortcut I have given you minus means opposite side. So right side of balance sheet, current assets. Prepaid salary 1,000. Okay, the journal entry is prepaid expense account debit to expense account. Prepaid expense account debit current assets, and to expense means minus from expense. Got it, everyone? Once again, what are the two effects of prepaid salary? One effect, minus from salary, and second effect, current assets. Anyone having any doubt in this? Next. Insurance premium, raise your hand. Total amount is 2,000 and in bracket, out of which 1,200 is for the year ending on 36/17. So what is the hidden adjustment? Raise your hand. Hit
300 is prepaid.
effects.
Minus from insurance premium and current assets.
Correct. So now, when does our year end? 31/3/70. And in bracket that 1200 of insurance premium is paid up till which date? 36/70. So after 31/3/70 in which months? After 31/3 36/70. So after 31/3/70 in which months? April, May and June. 3 months belong to next year. That 3 months premium is prepaid. That is of next year. Raise your hand who did not understand up till here. Once again, when does our year end? 31/3/70. Insurance premium is paid up till which date? 36/70. So after 31st March, which months? April, May, June. 3 months is prepaid. In bracket that policy is of 1200 premium. So do 1200 into 3 by 12. 3 months amount will be how much out of that? 300. That is prepaid. Is everyone clear with this? Putting on insurance premium. In administrative expense 2, insurance premium 2000. Amount given in amount column is 2000 minus prepaid, showing bracket 1200 into 3 divided by 12. That is 300. So outer column 1700. Did you understand this? And second effect will come in. Again, minus means opposite side, so current assets. Prepaid insurance premium. $300. Understood this, everyone? Okay, prepaid expense account debit current assets and 2 expense minus from expense. And is everyone clear with the amount 300 rupees? Raise your hand who is having any doubt with it. Next, credit side, do you find loan of Harsha from 110, 16, 10,000? Niyati?
Loan of Harsha on balance sheet, non-current liabilities. Loan of Harsha 10,000, and then interest on loan is at 6%. So 10,000 into 6% into 6 divided by 12, 300. On in debit balances, interest on loan 200 is already given. So in financial expenses, interest on loan 200 plus outstanding interest on loan 100. In outer column 300, and in current liabilities, outstanding interest on loan 100.
Very good, correct. Dear lender, credit side of trial balance loan of Harsha 10,000. And what is the date? 110/16. Put tick on that. First of all, that will come in non-current liabilities. Harsha's loan 10,000. Now, what is the date given in bracket? 110/16. So October to March, you'll count interest for how many months? 6 months. And partner's loan rate is not given, so 6%. Did you understand this? So count 10,000 into 6% into 6 by 12. What do we get? 300. Now see, in trial balance debit side, is interest on loan already given? How much? 200. 200 is given in trial balance, means paid. Out of 300 we have paid 200. So how much is outstanding? 100. Did you understand this? Put tick on interest on loan in financial expenses. To interest on loan 200 plus outstanding 100. So outer column 300. Raise your hand who did not understand outstanding 100 rupees. Okay, 10,000 into 6% into 6 by 12 comes to 300. 200 is given in trial balance, means 100 is outstanding. And only outstanding amount will come in current liabilities. So second effect in current liabilities. Outstanding interest on loan 100. Did you all understand this? Only outstanding amount will have two effects: added interest on loan and current liabilities. Anyone who did not understand this? Anyone who wants me to explain it again? Now, unticked items of trial balance. Drawings recorded, current account recorded, interest on capital, machinery, interest on loan, salary of Chaya. All are recorded up till here. Sheetal debtors 15,000. Why so doubtful? Sit down and be attentive, okay? Current assets, debtors 15,000. Understood this, everyone? Then, receivable rent, Partha. Receivable rent 2,000. Profit and loss account credit side. In trial balance, it is on which side? Debit side. So, profit and loss credit side. Income is given in trial balance on debit side. What did I tell you? Debit balances are on expenses or assets. Credit balances are on incomes or? This is receivable. Outstanding rent. Where will it come? Where credit side? P and credit side. There is not credit side, there is asset side. So now, is everyone clear with it? Be careful and do remember this rule in this chapter. Debit balances are on expenses or assets, and credit are on incomes or liabilities. Receivable means definitely it's not an income. So what is it? It is asset. So right now, receivable rent in current assets. What is the amount? 2,000. Is everyone clear with this? Then after receivable rent, Namrata, bad debts 1,300. Other expenses and losses, 2 bad debts 1,300. Then and stock of goods 31,317, 10,000. Current assets, single effect because it is given in trial balance. Closing stock 17,000. Is everyone clear with that? Sorry, 10,000. Insurance premium after that is already recorded. Now credit side. Capital accounts recorded, current account recorded, interest on drawings recorded, loan of rent recorded, loan of Harsha recorded. Tanushri, rent. Which side of trial balance is that?
Credit.
So administrative expense. Always see the sides carefully before answering. Rent given in credit side 12,000, so it is incomes and gains. Buy rent. All of you be very careful with such items because these are the silly mistakes what you people make in exams, okay? Credit side, buy rent 12,000. Since it is given in credit side of trial balance, it is incomes and gains. Is everyone clear with this? Then, by your creditors 5,000.
Balance sheet liability.
Current liabilities, creditors 5,000. Next, Atifa, trading account 24,700. Trading account credit side, it is gross profit. By gross profit 24,700. All of you are clear with that? Then Akash, bank balance.
Current asset.
Current assets 5450 is wrong. How many of you have already recorded in current assets? Bank balance, raise your hand. I told you credit balance is either income or liability. Where is this bank balance given? Credit column. This is bank overdraft. Bank balance given in trial balance on credit side is bank overdraft. It will come in current liabilities. Okay, be careful. The moment you see bank balance, don't directly write in current assets. Okay, again and again I am repeating. Debit balances are expenses or assets. Credit balance are incomes or liabilities. So not that important, bank balance. And mainly this confusion arises because they have written also balance. They have not written overdraft. They write balance only. Both are called balance only. One is positive balance, other is negative balance. So bank overdraft 5450 in current liabilities. Is everyone clear with this? Then interest on current account already recorded in suspense account gets closed. Okay, it gets closed with adjustment 4. All items are done now. Balancing 24,700 plus 3,000, 25,000. Gross profit, correct, revised gross profit is 25,000. Opposite side in P&L account by gross profit brought down 25,000. Or 25 plus 12, 37,000. $12, 13, 17, 18, 19, 300, so 17,700. To net profit carried down. Opposite side in P&L appropriation account by net profit brought down 17,700, 18,600. Minus 1, 2, 8, 9, 10,600, so remaining 8,000. 2 net divisible profit 8,000. In what ratio will we distribute this? 1:1. No ratio is given means equally. So Harsha and Chaya both will get half of 8,000, 4,000. Opposite side in partners current account 31,317 by interest on current account, by net divisible profit. $4,000 in each of the columns. Now partners current account, which sides look more? Debit side looks more for both the partners. So here first we do the total of debit side for both the partners. 11,550 and 10,100 both the sides. 11,550 and 10,100. 11,550 minus 4,300, so 7,250 and 9,400, so only 700. 31,317 by balance carried down. Now tell me, are these debit balances or credit balances? Debit side total is more, so they are debit balance. Where will we write debit balance in balance sheet? Asset side. Okay, assets always have debit balance. So asset side current account, Harsha 7250 and Chaya 700. Now 20, 50, 60, 71, 70, 180, 72, 250? Yes. Verify, does it come same both the sides or not? So all of you are clear with that? Any confusions with it? Switch it off.